Today we are going to show you how to paint striped wooden letters. You'll want to start with a painted wooden letter, so go check out our video we posted a few days ago about painting wooden letters if you need some tips. The link's in the description. Now that you've got your letter painted in one color, it's time to add some stripes. Use masking tape or painter's tape to add several stripes to your letter and press them down firmly with your hand. Once you've picked a second color, spray the whole letter with your new color and let it dry. After drying, peel the tape off to reveal the stripes. Like what you saw? Subscribe to our channel for more home decor DIY tips. Hit the like button and leave us a comment with your questions. Lastly, be sure to visit our website, shapestack.com, to explore our custom collection of wooden letters and shapes and add some personality to your walls today.